We all know that Python is an exciting programming language. With it, you can easily write any type of application you need, from simple utility scripts to desktop GUI applications and back-end REST web services. But how do you ensure that the code you write is working properly the first time it's used and then every time after that? If you aren't adequately testing your code, you're likely introducing a lot of bugs in your system, which can affect your schedule, slow down new development, and erode your customers' confidence. My name is Rich Wells, and I've been a software developer for over 20 years, and in that time I've found that trying to keep my code base clean from bugs is a never-ending effort. In the effort to eliminate those bugs, I found that you need to have a multi-layered safety net of tests in place that will catch any bugs that might get introduced from getting out into the field where your users might encounter them. And the first layer of this safety net should be a suite of automated unit tests that have been implemented using the practice of test-driven development. Implementing a comprehensive suite of unit tests is one of the best things you can add to your software development process for ensuring the quality of your code. The goal of this course is to teach you how to implement a suite of unit tests as you're writing your code using the practice of test-driven development. In this course, we'll learn what unit tests are and how to implement them using test-driven development and walk through some hands-on examples. We'll learn about the PyTest unit testing framework for Python and how it makes writing and running unit tests fast and easy. We'll learn about Python virtual environments and how to set up some common IDEs like Eclipse and PyCharm for running unit tests. We'll learn what test doubles are and how they help you test your code in isolation. And then lastly, we'll learn about some of the best practices of unit testing in TDD, which can help maximize the benefits you get from implementing those practices. Like everything else in life, writing great software is a never-ending process of learning and improvement. I commend you for taking this course, and I hope you enjoy it and find it a huge benefit for your own software development process.